Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to send files from your smartphone to your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So, there are three different ways to do that. The first one is the most secure, and the fastest one is just plugging in your smartphone directly to one of the USB-C ports of your device, and after that you have to allow the file transfer for your smartphone in the popping up notification, and go to the File Explorer, go to this PC, select your smartphone right here, and select the files that you want to transfer. The other way is the OneDrive folder. If you install the OneDrive application on your smartphone and link it with the Microsoft account that is linked with your Surface device, you'll be able to simply drag and drop the files to your OneDrive folder and then access them from both your Surface and your smartphone. And the last way, which is the least secure, but it's useful for quick transfers, is using the third-party web page, which is called SpareDrop. So let's search for it. The web address is SpareDrop.net. On this page, to link your tablet and your smartphone, you have to tap this link icon and then scan the QR code you see on your Surface's screen using your smartphone's camera, just like this. Then you have to just follow the link on your smartphone screen. This will open the website on your smartphone, and on your smartphone you will see your device as an icon. You have to tap on it, then select the file that you want to transfer. So select any file that you have on your phone, tap OK, and then accept receiving this file on your tablet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.